Hello guys, I Arabinda Mohapatra. I am back with another interesting Pandas interview question. So let's jump into the today's question. So basically today's question I have taken from the StrataScratch, and the question is classify the business type. So this question level of the question is difficulty level is medium. So let's jump into the question. So classify each business as either a restaurant, cafe or school or either or other. So a restaurant should have word restaurant in the business name. A cafe should have either any of the word cafe, coffee in the business name. A school should have word school in the business name. So and all the other business should be classified as a other. Output should be in this particular format. So business name and business type. So we will go through the input first of all. So the input is one data frame is there, and this is the input. So if we will go here data frame, so just import pandas svd. We'll just we'll see the input data frame first of all, then we will proceed further. So head is a function method where by the help of the head method we can see top top 5 record by default. So here if you will see now, so this is the data frame, and this data frame having multiple column, business id, business name, business address, business city, and other business details. So if I'll just scroll off here, okay. So here there are different columns are there related to the business latitude, business long, business location, and business phone number. So here there is a column called business name. So we have to classify the business type from the business name column. Very straightforward. So wherever it's having school, it should be coming under the category is school, and whenever it is coming a restaurant, it should be restaurant, and whenever it will be like whenever it will be cafe, it should coming as a cafe. I will make it to 10 so that I can able to see the other entries in that particular column. So if you will see here, see the coffee, it should come under Starbucks coffee, it should come under the category of coffee. So wherever wherever it does not come under any of the word like school or coffee or any of the restaurant, it should coming under the other, like here L&T food, T&L food market. This name don't have any word called either restaurant, neither coffee, or neither school. So this things, this business name should coming under as a others, other. So the expected output should be like this. So it's a business name is John Sin Elementary School, it's coming under school, and Sri Thai Casino, it's coming under other, and Brothers Restaurant, it's coming under the restaurant classification. So business type is a restaurant. So here basically the expected output should be the business name and the business type. The condition has been given like how you will define the business type. So here, and so let's jump into the here for the solution. So basically if you will see one thing here, if I'll just make the name which is only required in the expected output, the business name column only. If we'll see here, there will be multiple multiple entries will be there, like for the single there should be there will be multiple entries for the single record. That may, if how I will check, just check value underscore count, so it will count the value and we will reset it because it's coming in, it will be converting the index to column. Reset underscore index. So if you will run it now, you will able to see how many number of counts is there. Oh, sorry, it's not count, it's counts. Okay, see, this pets cafe and tea, it's the entry of this record is having 3 times. So we first of all, what we have to do, there are multiple records are there, those are entries, duplicate records are there. So we have to first delete these records. So what we have to do is, I'll just remove it, drop underscore duplicate, just run it. Just run it, drop underscore duplicates. So now it has been dropped all the duplicate record from the business name column. So now we will store inside a data frame, and then what we will do is, so now I will run it. So now what we will do is, now we have to categorize the things as per the business name. So we can do it by the help of the case statement also here, but I will column. So now check the type of the data frame is type of data frame. If we will type, if we'll see, it will be the pandas data frame only. So now what we will do is, now we will use one kind of function where it's coming from the NumPy. So and from the string function, it will, like, we will use the imputation method the way it is working in the case and when statement in the SQL. In the similar fashion it should work with the help of the where from NumPy. So what I will do is, now first of all, what we will do is, now we will convert all the strings to the lowercase, because it will be the case sensitive. So we will convert all the string to lowercase. So df of business underscore name is equal to df of business name dot string dot lower. So so it will convert all the string to the lowercase, and let's run it. And if you will see it here, it's now converted to the all lowercase, because we are going to compare this word wherever this restaurant word will be there in the business name, it should be classified as a restaurant, and wherever this cafe coffee, it should be there inside the business underscore name column, it should classify as a coffee. So sorry, it should be classified as a cafe, and wherever the school name will be there, it should be classified as a school. So now what we will do, we will define another column, that is business type basically. So if we will go here, expected output, the name should be similar to the expected output column name. So now what we will do is np dot where close, sorry, dot where, and we will give the condition here dot str dot contents. So we are referring to a restaurant. So wherever this restaurant will be there, it should class, wherever the restaurant word will be there in the business underscore name column, this particular business name to be classified as a restaurant business type, and rest of the things will be classified as a other basically. So if we'll run it, let's see what will be the output. I'll just little bit of drag to here, I'll drag here little bit up. Okay, so here see, this is brothers restaurant, it should be classified as a restaurant, and T and L a food market, it's classifying as a other. So now the requirement is also wherever the school is there, there are multiple conditions to be applied here basically. Now if you will see, wherever this business name is a restaurant, it's coming under the restaurant business type. But wherever it is something else like T&L food market, it's coming others. But we have different condition is wherever the school is there, it should be reflected as a school business type, and wherever this cafe will be there and coffee will be there, it should be reflected as a cafe. So for to get this one, instead of this others in the sense here it said this wherever this condition is false, what should be what it should reflect. So instead of others, we will mention another condition here, so it will check multiple conditions. So np dot, we'll just copy all the things here basically. So here we'll copy it. Instead of a restaurant, we'll mention its school here, and uh, we'll mention here school and comma others. I'll close another bracket here and I will run it now. Okay. So here if you will see now wherever the school is there, it's the business type, it's reflecting as a school, and wherever the restaurant is there, it's reflecting as a restaurant, and the rest of the things are reflecting as a other type of business type equal to other. But thing is that wherever this coffee should be there, it should reflect as a cafe. So to get it instead of this other, what should we do is, instead of this other, we will mention another condition here. I'll just copy all the things from here and I will paste it here, and what I will do is I will just do some changes here. And here basically we have multiple strings, that is cafe or coffee. Wherever these three word will be there in the business underscore name column, it's this particular business name to be reflected as a cafe category. So to get it, basically we have one function, the row string. So we will use the multiple string to do the search. So R, and I'll just mention all these things inside it by or condition. So wherever these three word will populate at that particular business name to be reflect as a business type equal to cafe. So here now we have written this one, and it should reflect as a cafe, and the rest of the things it should reflect as a other. I will just close another bracket. Okay, if we'll run it now, if we'll see it now, see the school is reflecting as a school previously, restaurant is reflecting as a restaurant, and if we'll go to the coffee, it's reflecting as a cafe. So now the three of the condition has been satisfied. So now if we will see, now what we will do is, now we'll click on this solved, and I'll just run it. Now it has been accepted. So this is the output, this is the expected output of this particular problem. So if you have any other approach better from this approach, please do comment in the video section.